Hi everyone, the image I've been working on this week of an orange twist and a couple shot glasses on a glass set has produced some fun but challenging lighting scenarios. So let's take a look at that. I always like to have kind of an overall feel to my lighting. So in this scenario, I have an LED off to the side. It has a color temperature blue gel. It's going into this 25 centimeter reflector, and it's giving me kind of a nice, cool, overall evening type of feel. Now, I wanted a little bit more pop on the surface, so using the same LED, I've added a small reflector. It's almost mirror-like, and the light's just kind of making a glow pattern. Now, the great thing about having a frosted glass is I can light from the underside. So playing off of the blue, I have another LED, an orange gel on it. It's going into a small reflector under the set, and light's just coming up from the bottom. Now, I really had to control this. So there's a flag right here controlling light from the background, but I didn't want any light hitting the glassware. So I have another flag, just a small one just off to the side, which adds a little extra control. Now with the orange twist, I wanted to add a little contrast and light to the top of it. So there's one more LED on the back side of the set, and you can probably see the light on my hand. It's going to this small reflector, and I can really fine tune where it goes so it hits the orange peel, but it doesn't go into the glassware. So we'll just fine tune and see what we have.